Good morning guys, nagbabalik ang inyong lingkod, Andres Lock. Guys, merong masamang nangyari sa isa nating raffle bird na dapat ay mapapanalunan ni Sir Agustin Morado. Nakita ko na lang kanina guys, ganun na yung ibon. Sayang talaga. Pero wala tayong magagawa eh. Minsan nangyayari talaga yun guys. Kaya siguro papalitan ko na lang yung kay Sir Agustin. Papipiliin ko na lang siya kung second class or meron akong mga nakareservo ritong ibang young bird. Baka gusto niya, papiliin ko na lang siya. Eto guys, papakita ko sa inyo. Guys, eto na yung young bird na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ayan, nakalawit yung ulo niya guys, napapansin nyo ba? Kaya Sir Agustin Morado, papalitan ko na lang yung raffle bird mo. Kung gusto mo second clutch nito or meron akong nakareserbang young bird, ipapakita ko sa'yo. Baka magustuhan mo. Wala tayong magagawa guys kasi ganyan talaga eh. Minsan nangyayari yan. Baka natapakan nila yan. Sayang nga lang kasi nasingsingan ko na yan. Kaya ang gagawin ko yung singsing, kukunin ko na lang at itatabi. Nasa vlog ko yun guys, yung nasingsingan ko yan, dalawang yun. Kaya Sir Agustin, i-PM na lang kita. Sir John Russell, ito nga pala yung ano mo, yung hen. Baka mamaya hiwalay ko na yan kasi check ko na yung egg nila kung may similya o wala, para mai-recondition ko na bago ko ipadala sa'yo. Okay? Abangan mo na lang Sir John Russell ha. Ayun, silipin natin kung may itlog na tong Mariano natin. Ayan guys, may dalawa ng itlog pero hindi natin ipapapisayan kasi iba yung lilim-liman nila guys. Ang lilim-liman nila yung itlog ng Beckart cross sa Bandenbroek. Tapos yung itlog nito, pag may similya to, ay itatabi ko na lang or ipapalimlimang ko sa ibang available na aking breeder. Kung sakaling wala, tatapong ko na lang. Guys, ito naman yung Delbar natin. Dahil isusoli ko na tong red bar na to, kailangan mas check ko muna yung itlog nila kung may similya o wala kasi ipapayaya ko na rin yung itlog nyan. Ipapapisa ko sa iba. At ipapahinga ko na yung red bar kasi pairam lang sa atin yan ng ating kaibigan. Yan guys, so dalawa na rin yung egg. Sisilipin ko lahat yan mamaya para sabay-sabay sila, okay? Balikan ko kayo.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Hanggang sa muli, bye-bye!